Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox credit. First, you'll need to acquire a Roblox gift card, which can be purchased from various retailers or online. Once you have your card, carefully scratch off the protective layer to reveal the unique PIN code. If it's a digital card, the PIN will be sent to your email. Make sure you are logged into your Roblox account on the website before moving to the next step. This ensures a smooth and direct credit application. After logging in, head over to the official Roblox gift card redemption page. You can usually find this by searching Roblox Redeem Gift Card on your preferred browser. Carefully enter the 10-digit PIN code from your card into the provided box. Double-check that every number is correct to avoid any errors. The system will then display the amount of Robux or credit you are about to receive. Confirm this amount before clicking the final redemption button. Once redeemed, your new Robux balance will immediately reflect in your Roblox account. You can now use these Robux to purchase a wide variety of items within the Roblox platform. This includes cool avatar accessories, unique in-game items, or access to exclusive experiences. You might also consider using your Robux to buy a Roblox Premium subscription, which offers additional monthly Robux and other special perks. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities. If you encounter any issues during the redemption process, first double-check the PIN for any typos. Sometimes a simple mistake can prevent it from working. Also, ensure that the currency of your gift card matches the region of your Roblox account to avoid compatibility problems. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact Roblox customer support for assistance. They are usually very helpful. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.